Alright guys, so we're going to be repairing this adapter that goes from a 6.0 Powerstroke turbo to the 12 valve Cummins manifold. And we got to weld this flange up.
So basically what happened with this this flange was, we're not professional welders or anything, but we laid a bead right here, and we didn't weld the inside or anything, and we didn't have really good penetration, so the turbo was just like way too heavy, and all the vibration stuff just broke that weld loose. So we had a pretty good exhaust leak. Like whenever you lay into the throttle, coal would just fill the cab, and you have to like drive with your head out of the window. So basically, we're gonna be welding that back up. That was the main problem we've had so far, and see where it goes from there. But yep, we got some welding clips. So we just laid a few welds down on the flange. We're waiting for it to cool down a little bit so nothing warps and all that. But basically, another way to do this, and I think you have to do it if you have a 24 valve. Because of the clearance, but we don't have that problem on a 12 valve. We got a lot of room in the engine bay, so we made this flange, which is a T3 that goes to your exhaust manifold and then basically goes to a V-band clamp. That way you basically just have the V-band clamp holding on the turbo, so it makes it a lot more simple to remove if you had to, and just a lot easier.